Judge Torres, is going to approve the motion to deny and to drop the case? What are your thoughts, you guys? I really don't for one moment think that this judge is going to allow him to drop the case. I don't think she's going to approve the motion. I mean, you guys, y'all tell me. I don't know. Y'all tell me what you guys think, because I think that this judge, Judge Torres, she understands that this minor at the time of the alleged, crime was 13 years old. So I believe that she is allowing him the time to go ahead and submit the motion to get the case denied. But once it comes in, is she gonna deny the motion to drop the case and let the case continue? Because she probably wants to see evidence. She wants to see what happened, because they are saying that there was 5 attorneys or lawyers and an ex-cop that this 13-year-old minor has proof showing that, I guess, that this situation really did happen. Even though she is autistic, maybe some of the things she doesn't remember. We're not going to victim shame, but her story does sound like, kind of like all over the place. But is that because, of course, we have to respectfully understand that she was an autistic young girl at the time, right? But Jay-Z's response, even to the filing of the lawsuit, was kind of crazy, y'all. And it makes you think that he is guilty of this alleged, situation. Because y'all, allegedly, there's been a history, allegedly, of these things. So that is not too far from this 12-year-old girl. A couple of reasons, you guys, a couple of reasons. I think this judge, she's probably, maybe a grandmother, maybe a mother. Maybe she understands, like, what if this was, my child or grandchild at the time? Because, we're all human, right? We're all humans. We're going to reflect as if in certain situations, like, what if that was my, me in those shoes? I was a grandmother, I was a mother, or whatever the case. You will want to make sure that this 13-year-old minor at the time gets her justice, right? I believe that judge wants to see the evidence, what Mr. Busby has, right? And she wants to see maybe what Jay-Z's lawyer, Mr. Sparrow, has too, right? So she can, serve her just due, preside over the case, in a way where justice will prevail for this young girl, if that's the case. If there's enough evidence to prove that Jay-Z and Diddy and allegedly J-Lo did these things, I'm sure she wants to make sure that there is justice for this young girl. And plus the law, I heard there's a law that will allow this type of situation to go through, because it's been so long ago, and plus she was a minor. And y'all think about it, we don't remember everything that happened to us when we were around that age. So I believe there's some kind of legal leeway on that, I believe, if I understood correctly. But you guys, I don't think for one moment, not one moment, that this judge is going to allow a approval for dismissal. I don't. Because when Jay-Z and his lawyer Spiro went in that courtroom, right, had the little court documents, whatever, the judge, she snapped, crackled, and popped on them. The way it was written, whatever was written in those court documents, in that motion, I don't think she appreciated it because it was probably written in a terrible way. I mean, I didn't read the documents, but they say the judge, Judge Torres, she, wasn't too happy with it. But she went ahead and denied the first motion. Remember, Jay-Z and his attorney Spiro wanted to get Jane Doe's name revealed. The judge denied that. So then the next motion was, okay, we want to drop the charges, right? We want to, cancel everything out, drop the charges, whatever. So the judge was like, okay, yes, you can. I approve for you to submit the paperwork, to just submit the paperwork, submit the motion. But will that motion get approved or denied? I really think it's going to get denied. I may be wrong now. I may be wrong, but I'm thinking about it in the sense, and not saying because, I don't care for Jay-Z, but the simple fact is that she was a 12-year-old minor. The 12-year-old minor says that she has proof. I'm sure the judge is going to want to see that proof, y'all. I would want to see that proof if I was a judge. I'll be like, okay, I can't wait to get to that court hearing. I want to know what proof this girl has, because her story was like a little in the outfield. But like I said, respectfully so, she is autistic. But she has witnesses. Maybe her dates were way off. And that's okay. It was a long time ago. We don't remember dates. We may get the years or whatever, months mixed up, whatever, right? But I'm going to see how this is going to play out. I want to know, is this situation going to go all the way to trial? Like I said, I believe it is. But I don't know what Judge Torres, is going to do. But I do feel as if she's going to be like, no, we're going to continue because I want to see evidence and all the witnesses. If she has all the witnesses, they said she has 5 lawyers and an ex-cop, but any other witnesses, because allegedly the girl that took her up there is no longer living. So I don't know who else would be a witness to what she has going on with this case. But y'all, we're going to see. We are going to see. We are going to sit back. We are going to wait for it. And we're going to see what Judge Torres decides. Is she going to approve Jay-Z to, cancel out the lawsuit, drop the lawsuit, or is she going to approve it, or is she going to approve or deny the motion? I think she is going to deny the motion and let it go to trial and see what this girl has or what proof, evidence, or whatever, right? But that's just me, y'all. I don't know. I may be wrong, and I'm just trying to, be even, level-headed on the situation. But we'll see. We will see, y'all. What is it going to entail? Leave a comment in the comment box. Y'all like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And we will see you in the next video, you guys. Bye.